Hello, family.
Hey guys, welcome. Happy New Year's to you guys. And some lights. Turn the back light off. Alright, time to rock and roll. Let me see something on mirrors. Gonna do a little night driving with you guys. So welcome.
Father and son lifestyle. Happy New Year.
Father and son, big up yourself. Juliana, big up yourself. Ready to hit the road for first time for the new year. Alright, ready? Come drive with me, guys. Alright, on the road. Well, as soon as I get out this parking lot. It's kind of tight back here. Very, very tight. What's that? Star Girl, what's going on? How you doing? I haven't seen you post lately. What's going on, Star Girl? Hey, father and son, that link up, man. That link up was mad, yo. The one with Juicy Bird. Alright. I'm officially on the road now. Whew. I'm heading to Florida. It's about an 8-hour ride. It's on. And it's kind of hot. Down. Man, on this truck, this is a 2024 truck. Got it when it was new. And right now everything in this truck is rattling.
Hey, Craig.
Craig, big up yourself, my brother. Guys, if you don't have Princess AGTV, head on over. If you don't have Father and Son, Star Girl. Craig, what's going on with the channel, brother? I know you guys are always busy. Right now I'm in North Georgia. I'm gonna take 985 to 85 to 285 to 75, and I might take 75 all the way to I-4. Might. Depends on. Yeah, I'd take it to I-4. Gotta be there by 8 o'clock in the morning. On my calculation, we should be there by 4:30. Give myself a half hour, so 5. The latest is 5:15. What is rattling so much? Check that here.
That ain't no sense in trying to figure out what it is while you go.
I'm 4 miles away from 985. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Gas, you see the price of gas out is dropping?
Yeah, but everybody's back.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah.
Ain't no sense in trying to.
This whole thing needs tightening up.
It is what it is.
Father and son of Blue Jack.
Huh?
Father and son.
What about?
Blue Jack. Real loyal supporter. Hey, how's RJ, father and son? Pick him up for me. Scroll up. Alright. Look at this, look at this. The Walmart truck. I could tell it's his first time.
I just know how I can manage your stuff, but you can't manage mine. Your project commits.
Yeah, that truck that just made that turn, the way he made the turn, you can tell it's his first time coming to that Walmart. Ooh. I appreciate you guys riding shotgun with me. When I get out this city here and jump on the highway, I could communicate with you guys more.
Somebody asked you a question.
Huh?
Somebody asked you a question.
I can't see it. Well,
They said, are you headed for Poinci?
no. I'm going to Central Florida.
Still got the Christmas lights up.
Uh, wherever you talking there, are you talking about over by West Florida, near Pensacola area? I don't know where that area is at. That you're talking about. Who's that, Barry? Oh, Barry, what's going on, brother? Um, oh, I'm heading to Central Florida, right off I-40. Near Kissimmee, near Kissimmee. Thanks for coming over, Barry. Let me see if I remember the name of this place I'm heading there, Barry. Hold on. I'll tell you in a minute. Oh, I'm going to Longwood, Florida, Barry. Guys, don't forget to double tap your phone, or just don't forget to thumbs up the video, like the video, please. This is just driving me crazy. Every part of this truck you can hear. It's supposed to be a fairly new truck. That's why I love Freightliners. This is a Mac that I'm in. Thank you for going over to Princess AG. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate you.
I've been following her for years. From she first started. And you keep changing the name.
They say he's 32 miles away from Longwood.
Oh, okay. Yeah, in Central Florida. I'm in your area. I'm surprised you're not sleeping, Barry. Because I know you get up early to go for your walk. Matter of fact, it was on your, Juliana, it was on your channel back in the days I met King Lion. And right now, me and him is like brothers. We talk almost every day on the phone. Alright guys, I'm entering Highway 985. So I'm going to be hammering down. The truck just got on. gun and trying to speed up and tighten up in this truck. It's gonna be a whole afternoon.
Not too bad.
20 minutes away from 9, from I-85 south. I don't know why you're not active, because, I mean, your channel is doing pretty good. It's doing real good. Right now I'm entering Oakwood, Georgia. One thing you gotta be careful of driving at night is these deers on the side of the road. I had a couple of collisions with deers before. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 times. And when believe it or not, they'll tear your truck up. First time I hit a deer was driving a box truck. Connecticut. So hit the deer in the middle of the road. We had to pull over and call the police. Believe it or not, when the police came, it took them about a good maybe a half hour to come. When they got there, believe it or not, that deer got up and ran off. I couldn't believe it. We had a couple of deer incidents. You hear that noise, that beep, 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 beep. I had to slow down, that means I'm going too fast. The truck tells you. Driving trucks is not fun anymore because they have so much computers in these trucks. Anything you do, uh-oh. Well, tell me he's pulling me. Pumpkin? Come on. Come on. Hey guys, sorry about that.
Are you still on?
Yep. Sorry about that, guys. I got pulled over by the state troopers. We're still on the side of the road. They're just doing a routine check, but I had to turn the screen off because I didn't want them to see that I was doing this. Hmm? It did, because I shut it down.
Oh, you just restarted it just now?
No, I just, when you turn it off, it freezes.
So when you turned it back on,
It comes right, yeah.
Did you tell me? Or you explained it?
when we pull off, I'll explain everything to them. So thanks for sticking around, guys. I appreciate it. He's gonna write up a inspection. We should have a nice clean inspection. But when I seen those flashing lights, I just had to turn. I didn't want them to see what I was doing. But he has all our paperwork. He's back there right now and doing the paperwork for the inspection. Again, I apologize, but didn't want them to see what was going on. Happy New Year's. Jamaica shore fishing, what's going on, man?
So we got all our stickers and everything.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we just got pulled over by the state trooper. Doing just a mandatory inspection. So and I was on the live, so I had to just turn the phone itself off because I don't want them to see, that I was streaming. And when we move off, I'm gonna explain to you guys why I had to turn the phone off and get up out the seat. Yeah, man, blessings, man, blessings. We'll drive safe. Like when we pull off, I'll explain why I had to turn the phone off. Let him give us all the paperwork and the inspection sheet, and then I'll explain to you guys. Cause it's crazy on a Sunday night. They're giving us an inspection.
We still got the book, is that right?
Yes, he has everything. Thank you for being in the ad. Guys, don't forget to give the video a like. Oh, pre-trip inspection was done, man. Everything was done. We're good, man. We're good. Paperwork good. Everything good. But that's normal. And the reason why too is late Sunday night, and a lot of drivers who not legally, they usually run at night. So he probably think we was one of them. The Isaac family, what's going on? Blessings. But we do our thing right, We run legal. We're not into nothing shaky. Yeah, man. Yeah, I just had to turn the service off. I didn't want him to see that the phone was on and all that stuff. And I said I had to play it safe. But he's doing some paperwork right now. It should be a clean inspection. We're getting a level 3 inspection. I-80, I hit that highway, you see, brethren? Oh, okay, hold on, here he comes. I don't know if you guys are gonna hear what he's saying, but hold on.
Come on. Driver's license. Your binder.
them off the trailer. So at your next stop, yeah.
Okay.
Put that back in.
No problem. I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely appreciate you guys. So,
No problem, man.
Alright, so we just did a level 3 inspection. Everything came back great. Right here has you down listed a driver, the company information, where we're at today, truck and trailer information, any violations I found. Your logs look great. So just at the end of this 24 hours, whenever you can, just plug in your bill of lading number onto your hours of service. Other than that, everything looks great. So this is your copy. I just see the signature right here, and y'all are all set.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, absolutely. But you guys, y'all are taking care of business. So.
Oh yeah, we have to. We have to be safe out here.
Exactly.
With your first truck tonight?
The what?
With your first truck tonight?
No, ma'am. What? I think number 9. Somewhere around there.
Oh,
Yeah,
number
you got
9? Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we want to make
You've
sure
been
we're
busy.
No, listen, I appreciate what you guys doing. I really do.
Yep, and so it helps y'all out as well since y'all are driving and shows a good safety score. So yep, so with me doing my job, and then of course with this traffic stop, just another good inspection. So it helps y'all out too. So down the road, if y'all, because I know a lot of the safety inspections reflect off of the contract that we get too. So y'all are taking care of business. So we appreciate y'all and safe travels.
All right, God bless you. Thank you.
You guys as well.
Thank you.
And be careful out there, please.
Yep, we'll do.
Okay.
All right.
That's what we talking about. I know he was trying to get. He think something was. He could have got us for something. He can't get us for nothing. Clean inspection.
I mean, we ain't riding in no raggedy truck.
Clean inspection. That's how we roll. You gotta be safe out here. Keep the flashes on. Hiccups.
Behind.
Okay. Hey, when he pulled us, he said, "Yep, I got me one." Nah, buddy.
Yeah, just left the house too.
Because I came to the truck earlier. I did all my walk around, tire check, light check. That's why you didn't see me have nothing coming up here.
I know you took your stuff. That was
I did all my pre-trip. So here's what it is. Okay.
This is nice truck.
All right. Jamaica shore fishing. All those roads I did. The only place I did not go drive in the United States is Hawaii and Alaska. Been to Canada. I've been everywhere in the United States. But right now, I'd rather the Southeast. I'm just tired of the road, man. Barry, we have to have our paperwork straight because if any insurance, because each state you have to have a permit for each state. We have all that in the book. We have everything. We have a folder with everything in the book. Everything. Yeah, I used to do all 48 states. I'm not doing that no more. Not doing that no more. I'm tired of it. I've been places where I never even know there was roads there. Yeah, I just matter of fact, it was about 3 weeks ago. I put on the new HUD sticker for this year. And the thing is, I don't go up that side. I don't. Well, the HUD sticker is really a New York HUD sticker. I don't really go up that side. I grew up there, lived up there for years. I don't need to go up there no more. Julian, no problem. Blessings. Thanks for coming over. I really appreciate you. And start up back your channel. Start it up back. We're here to support you. I'm in Flowery Branch, Georgia. Flowery Branch. 985. Outside Jamaica. I'm in Georgia. AG, off YouTube. You've been off YouTube? Okay, hold on a second. Oh, he was doing that airport to airport. He was running air freight. Marlon, blessings, blessings, blessings. Welcome, brother. You know it, jumping hook, especially for an owner operator. That's sweet.
Are we switching on 85 or?
We're on 85. It's 85 is too congested.
Somewhere on 985 or 85?
You see the off ramp right before you hit the off ramp on next exit. Oh, you used to run the road hard, man. I was just up in Charlotte last week. You work off exit 8, Friendship. I'm at exit 8 right now, coming up. Pull over at exit 8. Friendship. Hold on a second. Yep, this is Friendship.
Yeah, Lake Lanier. You should know what this is. This is where the Lake Lanier is at. Lake Lanier, go to Lake Lanier. The island.
Oh, Georgia. Okay. Yeah, Lake Lanier exits right here. It's Friendship, Lake Lanier, Lanier Island Parkway. That's half a mile. That's exactly where I'm at right now. Man, I used to run 95 so much. We used to run from Jersey to Florida, pulling Wayfair, burning up them roads, man. Let's go straight on the shoulder. You thinking about going back over the road? I'm thinking about getting off the road. I'm thinking about doing some local. Man, sometimes it's just I don't know what to say. It ain't the same anymore.
Make sure you keep up with this.
You got to take a copy of it and send it to Brandon. All right.
It's the top button.
What you say here about?
Huh?
I said what you said here about. I'm back behind the wheel, guys. Give me a second here. Let me adjust these mirrors. All right. All right, I'm back. I'm back behind the wheels. All right, most of the comments, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna pay more attention to the road. So I ain't gonna be able to see some of the comments. I don't have my glasses. That's number one.
What? Because you didn't put it in right.
Hold on, let me get this fixed properly. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Bouncing. There you go. All right. 6 miles from 85. Yeah, like I said, fellas, the comments I really can't see it. Princess AG is gonna be checking, responding to any comments. Because the phone is a good distance away from me. It's on the dashboard, and I really can't see them. Yeah, the man pulled me over and gave us a inspection level 3, but thank God. Now, companies, when you get an inspection, a clean inspection, they usually pay you for it. Because when you get a clean inspection, it brings the company's CSA scores up, give them a CSA score. gotta remember to put the paperwork back on the trailer because he took it off, gave it to me. But we're there on the road, I roll, you know? I burn up the road. Marlon, how you doing, man? Seven and a half hours from my destination, Central Florida. And one thing that guy could have got us for, the state trooper, a lot of people do their logs on the computer, but at the end of the day they don't certify their logs. I just finished certifying all the logs. Just finished. When you're driving a truck, you have to do office work, you have to be a mechanic, you have to be a driver. Man, there's so much things to us driving a truck, man. Your paperwork has to be straight. Your truck itself, physical wise, has to be straight. Engine, airline, all that stuff has to be good. And then another thing, you're driving, you have to be alert because it's never, well, I'm not going to say never, it's not you who you're driving for. You have to drive for all the other vehicles that's out there around you. There's a lot of, that's why you see that they have to truck drivers so much because there's so much going on in this business now. It's not fun driving no more. It's sometimes it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Anybody that wants to get into this business, I wouldn't recommend it. The truckers are not as friendly as they used to be. I mean, there's so much drawbacks, so much negativity going on with trucking now. But we just have to stay in our lane, do what we have to do, and keep these wheels rolling. But in this business, if your wheels are not rolling, you're not making no money. Guys, I'm about to enter I'm on 985. I'm about to enter I-85. We're officially on I-85. Thank you, driver. ITS Logistic. That's a Russian company. There's companies like this who gets all the cheap loads and put other drivers out of business. run loads for real cheap. JB Hunt, Swift, who else? Western Express. They'll run loads for cheap, and it's hurting the business. So, started off the year pretty good. Clean inspection, because this is my first time coming out since the year started. Clean inspection. Come on, buddy, come on. You see this guy come in front of me and slow down. That's why you keep hearing that beep beep noise. I'll take the slow lane. I don't want to get pulled over again tonight. There's lanes I'm not supposed to be in. Okay, pick the speed up. One thing with these drivers, they'll pass you, come in front of you, and start slowing down. Don't understand that at all. We are in Swanee, Georgia. Again, whenever you hear that beep, 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 the vehicle in front of you is going slower than you are. So the sensor is telling me so. So I moved over, got out of his way. These trucks are so computerized, man. Speaking of that, about a month ago, I went down to Atlanta to help a friend of mine move. And would you believe it or not, we went to Walgreens. And you'll never believe what I see pulled up. Somebody called a taxi. And it's one of those self-drive taxis showed up. Now, anybody in the chat, taking an Uber or a taxi or a Lyft or whatever, and you see a self-drive vehicle pull up, would you get in it? Because I sure would not get in that. Get to find out they're all over Atlanta. That Lala? What's going on, Lala? Hey sis, Lala, and one day I'm gonna come down there, I'm gonna raid your garden. There's some nice things that grow in that garden there, man. You and Marva garden is so nice. I'm glad you went and did a video over by her. what you doing now? What you doing, folks? What you doing, folks? What you doing? We're really not supposed to be going over to that lane, but oh my Amazon. Come on, buddy. Alright, I'm not supposed to go over there, but I can go over there to pass you. Thank you. Yeah, man, I love her garden. Marva have a little bit of everything. And she's so dedicated to that garden. Now I'm gonna lie. When I moved from up north, from New York, I wish I did move to Florida. Now I'm gonna lie. Because why? These don't my son I grow up and get jealous. I grow my little things them in a pot still, you know. Last year was the first we get 2 mango, East Indian mango off my tree there. I know I bring them outside so bad. Because the temperature been in the 60s and stuff, but Georgia is so funny, it could get cold anytime. Get that cool smell anytime. After I have them in my basement. And I start to see blossom. Alright. Let me see. What exit is this? Okay, Beaver Run Road. I'm heading towards 285. Oh yeah, give you guys a little update. The only time you see big trucks inside Atlanta, unless they're delivering. That's why they create 285 for big trucks to go around Atlanta. If the police catch you in Atlanta with a big truck and you're not delivering in Atlanta, you could get a ticket. You have to be delivering in Atlanta to go inside Atlanta with a big truck. Or they call it inside the perimeter. That's why they create 285 for all big trucks to go around. Oh man, I was just thinking of something. That's why I laugh, sorry. No problem, Barry. No problem, man. No problem. I'm also on Facebook with you, Barry. Alright, folks. Why is everybody going so slow? Get around this guy. Oh, no. I'm gonna get off pretty soon. Tell when somebody's scared to drive on these roadways. 60 miles per hour and they're doing 40. Come on, people. Please do the speed limit. Guys, if you guys don't have Barry, go on over, check out Lala. Very good supporters. This is called Tucker, Georgia. Alright. The interchange is coming up in 1 mile. About to enter the I-285. I can't be bothered with you, bro. I can't bother with you. officially on 285. Oh yeah. Heading towards 675. Oh yeah, I did miss a couple of roads that I told you guys. Okay, okay, here comes another police. What's going on here? Okay, that's decab police, that's regular police. Yeah, let me start this off again. I took 985 to 85 to 285 to 675 to 75 to 475 back to 75 to I-4. That's it. What is wrong with these people? Not supposed to be in this lane. Supposed to be in this lane. I don't know what's going on with these people tonight. Some people just are not night drivers. So they'll come on the highway and they'll just go slow. It's not that they don't want to drive, and at the same time, some people they wear glasses. Some people, there's a lot of people wear glasses that really can't see at night, even with the glasses. Some of them is just scared to drive at night. It's just a lot of things with some people, and those are the ones you see go slow, real slow at night. And they don't understand that they're putting themselves in danger and other people in danger. Like it's 65. Why would you be doing 40? And the thing is, they don't go in the slow lane. They stay right in the middle. I never understand that. We know how to maneuver around them. Been doing this too long now. Been doing this almost 30 years now. Almost 30 years. right now we're in Decatur, Georgia. Thank you. Woo. You're gonna sit there all night. All right. Catch you later. I'm gonna switch this live for about an hour. Sit back and enjoy the ride. I appreciate you guys riding shotgun with me. You guys being my co-pilot. All right, all right. Catch you in the morning, Barry. Blessings. Thanks for stopping in. Amazon got these trailers running hard out here. Stay in your lane, dude. Guy must be tired there. Come on, people. Thank you. Come on! Ooh. That's what I keep saying. We have to look out for these idiot drivers. You're getting off and you come down, stop, drop your speed down to 20 miles per hour on a highway, 65 miles per hour highway. Just past the interchange of I-20. Stay away from this Amazon truck because he's just kind of coming close when I passed him first. Like he's tired or something. Again, guys, I really and truly cannot see the comment because it's kind of far away. It's over by the windshield, and instead of paying attention to it, I'd rather pay attention to the road because of these people out here, especially the way they drive at night. Really appreciate all you guys coming in. And I have to start doing some more lives. I'm gonna do a live tomorrow. I don't know exactly what time. For about an hour, so I'm gonna try and do it live tomorrow. I'll probably do it live tomorrow when they are unloading this stuff there. About a mile and a half, I should be hitting 675. 675 coming up right now. Blinker on. Slowing down around these corners. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost nothing. Don't forget to hit that like button. That'll help out the algorithm. Appreciate it. I think if I'm right, this whole stretch of 675 should be, I would say about 8-9 miles. About 9.5 miles, because I just see the 9-mile marker. Thank you. You have a good night too. Just glimpsing over there. Over here, it's Ellenwood, Georgia. Welcome to John. Oh my God. Exit 7 over here is Ellenwood, and I think exit 5 is next. Is that, let me see, to get to Forest Park from exit 5. You also get to Forest Park from exit 7 too. I used to work for a company over here. 9 years, total transportation. Swift bought them out. and it's become like, I had to leave that place before they mess with my license. I don't understand what this GPS is trying to tell me to do. Got to Google Earth this place where I'm going. When I get down here, I'm going to Google Earth the place where I'm going to see the surrounding area and what to expect. Start getting mad at me. You guys enjoying this little nighttime drive along, ride along. Again, I appreciate you guys riding shotgun with me. Come on, what? I know I can't get over. No. Took you a long time to pass me. Okay, folks, when I get on 75, I'm going to end this live. And I really, truly appreciate you guys hanging out with me, being my co-driver. We're over in Stockbridge, Georgia now. Entering 75 in about a mile. Alright, something's going on over here. I see a vehicle with flashing lights. Why are you in this lane if you have flashing lights on? Oh my God. Really? Person is towing a car, but the tow that he's driving doesn't have lights. Yeah, these are the things we have to put up with out here. We have to open our eyes. lines up with me. Like right now, you can't see no lights on that thing. You won't even know he's there. Alright folks, this is I-75 and I'm gonna end this live. I really appreciate you guys coming. I'll catch you guys on the flip-flop.